Okay, so let's go ahead and try to solve this one. And by the way, right before we begin, can you guys please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button? It helps out a lot. I'm just getting started with YouTube, and I would greatly appreciate it if you guys would just subscribe to my channel. But anyways, let's go ahead and move forward with this derivative here. What I like to do here is first rewrite your denominator to where you will have a rational exponent. So that rational exponent is actually going to be, we'll rewrite this, it's actually going to be 1/3. So that's our rational exponent right there. And of course, with the 1 above as the numerator. And then if we want to use chain rule, we're going to need to flip the fraction here. But if you flip the fraction, take the reciprocal, of course, you're going to have to switch that exponent to a negative. So all we would have is x squared minus 1 to the power of negative 1/3. And now we can use the chain rule, and first we'll use the power rule, of course. So that is negative 1/3. So we're taking the derivative already now. So if you want, you can just go ahead and start here. That is negative 1/3, parentheses, rewrite your inner function, and then subtract 1 to the original exponent. So you're subtracting 1 from the negative 1/3, which gives you negative 4/3. And then we're going to go ahead and multiply by what was the inner function, which is x squared minus 1. So that is the derivative of x squared minus 1, which is just 2x. Of course, the derivative of negative 1, which is a constant, is 0. So we're just left with 2x. And you could just rewrite this as negative 1/3 times x squared minus 1 to the power of negative 4/3 times 2x. Or, if you like, you could rewrite that, so you don't have a rational exponent, you could put that underneath with the 3. So it'll look like this, x squared minus 1, 4/3, put the 1, or you could put the 1, or you could just rewrite the 2x here, and this would be your final answer as well.